Working on my bike, guys, and I remembered I have this tool. You know how you have those tight spaces and you have to get into things? Well, you have to get into some tight spaces in here, and we have a little space right there for the box. So I'm gonna kind of get this inside here. Get a good look at it. And we're going to push this over here. I don't know if I can get it. So just right there, where it's full in. And all I have to do is push this like that. Pop that off. There we go. And I'm out. That's it. So this little tool here gets into that nice little space. And my hose is off, just like that. Right there. Hard to get in here to see that, but you can sort of tell. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Nice little pliers.